This course contains a series of practice problems for AC transformers. In order to get the best benefit of the practice problems, I encourage you to pause the video after each task is stated or each problem is stated, then attempt the solution yourself. You can then proceed with the solution that's suggested in the course to see how the problem is solved. Keeping in mind the solution that is presented is only one solution, there may be more than one solution to the problem. A single-phase transformer with a 2 kVA rating has a 480 volt primary and a 120 volt secondary. Our task will be to determine the primary and secondary full load currents of this transformer. Regardless of what side of the transformer we're talking about, if we know the VA rating and the voltage, the current flowing to or from that transformer is given by VA divided by the associated voltage. Therefore, the primary full load current is given by the rating of the transformer divided by its voltage. In this case, the primary current IP is given by the VA rating divided by the voltage, or 2 kVA times 1000 divided by 480, and that equals 4.17 amps. The secondary full load current, IS, is given by 2 kVA times 1000 divided by 120, and that equals 16.67 amps. It may seem strange at first, but the transformer current will be higher in the winding which produces the lower voltage. This concept is important to understand in order to avoid transformer or conductor overloading. In recent years, the reality of climate change has become impossible to ignore. Severe weather events are growing more frequent and more intense. For homeowners, this means that utility power outages are no longer inconveniences. They can last for hours, days, or in extreme cases, even longer. The question is no longer if, but when. You'll need a solution to keep your homes powered and your family safe. Now is the time to prepare and ensure you're not left in the dark when the next storm hits. Here are some trusted resources to help you prevent power outages at home. 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Canada at this web address. 𝐵luetti Canada at this web address. 𝐵luetti USA at this web address. And 𝐵luetti Australia at this web address. And finally, EcoFlow may be found at this web address. And for those of you in Australia, here is an added bonus. 𝐵luetti has just come out with their newest fleet edition, the Apex 300. It can put out 3,840 watts for 2,764 watt hours. It has 120 volt to 40 volt dual voltage output and is expandable up to 58 kilowatt hours at 11.52 kilowatts. With the 𝐵luetti app, you will receive real-time weather alerts. This unit charges at 30 kilowatt solar or 11.52 kilowatts with an auxiliary generator. It powers HVACs, electric vehicles, and heavy-duty loads, and it pays for itself in as little as 2 years. In order to get more information and take advantage of this special offer, simply go to this web address. You can also obtain an exclusive offer or a 10% discount by using this code, APEXAFF10. Ready to go beyond just solving problems? If you've been following my daily post and enjoying the sample problems, you're going to love this. All of these problem sets and more are now available, or soon will be, on my official course site, my stand store for electrical training. Just go to the web address that you see at the bottom of this slide, https://stand.store/GVB.